not perfection that made things so beautiful. Just like all your flaws and curves, so girl, it makes you who you are. Darling, all the stars are glowing 'cause they're burning in the sky. Oh, I know this life ain't easy, but it made me realize, oh baby, so tight, my ikigai, you are to me. Hingat hinaloka sa feeling divine should be when paradise is you and me.
Feeling like I've known you from a previous life.
If you're the counterpoint to my soul, I wouldn't be surprised.
Jesus Christ, I fell for you faster than the speed of light.
You are my ikigai, the reason why I feel alive.
That's my fears aside.
You give me peace of mind, don't need to lie.
I hear you sigh every time that I see you smile.
Baby, I just wanna treat you right.
You ang natisig ako when it's demon time. Lahat ibibigay na is kita mali sa lugar na kung sa tayo lang. Basahin sa'yo ang mga liham ni Andres. Ikaw yung taong siyang biyak ng aking pagkatao sa pagkakaluluwa ko at katuwang.
Alam mo bang
ang ibig ko sa'yo'y walang katapusan.
managutan ko na ang hangin kahit pagbabuan.
Pagpaumanhin mo na lang muna ang aking kakabigan. Alam na ang aking pagkabighani.
Come on!
Kamula. Let's go.
Ay, sound check tayo mamaya, Prizel, yung may nanalo na. May nanalo na. Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
You know?
Sa orange carpet.
Oh, magkaganon din.
Pero sa zero, iba-iba.
Grabe, Araneta siya, oh. Araneta, motherfucker.